Fiverr is the first non-traditional freelance marketplace launched back in 2010, which gained massive popularity due to its gig system and cost-effectiveness. Its lowest price was set to $5 for affordability. Today we will try to cover all the key aspects in this Fiverr review for better understanding. If you want to get our latest content on side hustles, money-making ideas, and tips, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on for quick access. Fiverr allows sellers to sell their services in over 1,000 subcategories and skills, which can be easily selected while signing up. Fiverr comes in a list of top 5 freelance platforms, where you can sign up as a freelance seller or buy online services in competitive pricing. You can sign up on Fiverr using Gmail, Apple ID, any email address, and Facebook account. If you are unfamiliar with freelance skills, Fiverr also offers a learning platform and the opportunity to upskill yourself with Fiverr Learn. Pick the desired courses and start learning virtually. These courses are also added in your Fiverr seller profile for establishing credibility among clients. Fiverr Pro is another option for established freelancers who have a solid portfolio and online presence. They come under the exclusive 1% Fiverr talent pool. All the profiles are personally vetted by the Fiverr team and manually reviewed. These freelancers offer better quality services and have relatively expensive gigs as compared to general freelancers. In order to start selling, you need to decide your selling category. Set up gigs to present your freelance services before a huge buyer database. A new seller can create a maximum of 4 gigs featuring multiple services in any category. However, it is recommended to focus on a single category. Avoid targeting the competitive keywords in your gig titles and tags, as it is harder for beginners to get a ranking without any reviews and portfolio. So it is recommended to perform keyword research in your niche. Choose 4 easy-to-rank keywords that have higher odds of getting sales. Now, before you start the gig creation process, it is important to create your unique gig images or videos that will attract buyers towards your profile. Use tools like Canva and ThisMe to create unique images and short videos. V.io is another good source to generate gig videos with the help of AI. Fiverr is mostly criticized for its low-quality work and relatively low pricing as compared to other platforms like Upwork. But this platform came with a competitive vision. You can get more quality services using Fiverr Pro by paying a bit more to professionals. Fiverr is considered the best platform to outsource in case you are drop servicing. Keep your pricing lower and start to build a portfolio by attracting more clients. Fiverr has recently announced the Seller Plus program for freelancers to increase their sales. You get a success manager, exclusive coupons for your buyers, and in-depth insights into your gig performance by paying a monthly subscription fee. It is currently available through an invite-only method, and new sellers are ineligible for its access. Before signing up as a seller, you need to create unique gig images and videos as per the Fiverr guidelines. Canva and Visum are the 2 best tools for creating Fiverr gig images effortlessly. For short videos, V.io can be a good choice with its AI-powered video creation features. Use the main keyword in your gig title, description, and tags for better search optimization. Its algorithm is enhanced to detect spam and copyright infringement. So avoid reusing someone else's gig description, images, and videos. Short videos are becoming popular over time to give your gigs more authenticity. Fiverr offers multiple payouts including PayPal, Payoneer, and direct bank withdrawals. You can choose the best for yourself and connect your payment methods. The payments are kept under Fiverr's control after order completion in case of any dispute or refunds. Once you earn $5 or above, it shows in your earning dashboard for withdrawal. Try to satisfy your buyers during project delivery to avoid these issues. 4. Fiverr is considered the worst and buyer-centric in terms of customer support. It only allows email and ticket options to reach out to the support team. Account bans and gig removal are 2 common issues freelancers face on this platform. So you should be prepared for the worst. It is recommended to use multiple platforms as a backup for selling your freelance services. Fiverr always tried to align itself with industry trends like AI evolution in the past few years. It has added a completely new AI section in its gigs for selling similar services. It is widely criticized for low-paying clients and buyers in client support. Despite this, the user base is increasing with time and more people are coming to this freelance platform. Fiverr is named as beginner-friendly platform where freelance workers can get their first clients without any portfolio. Complete your seller profile by adding a catchy profile image and clear description. Include your educational background, skills, certifications, and social links to increase your platform credibility. Revision by the buyers is a common challenge and can be frustrating sometimes. Follow the Fiverr guidelines for communication with the clients. Never ask or share your contact number or email with buyers. It may result in a warning, account suspension, or permanent ban. Like and share this video to show your support. Subscribe to our channel and follow social media to keep yourself updated. We keep sharing valuable content on similar topics with our viewers, so stay tuned. Keep hustling.